Hey, do you know what assignments are in this class?
Yes, assignments are tasks or pieces of work given to you to complete outside of class. They help reinforce what you're learning.
Got it. And what about syllabus? I heard it mentioned but didn't quite understand.
A syllabus is a document that outlines the course's objectives, schedule, and requirements. It gives you an overview of what to expect throughout the term.
That makes sense. I also noticed the term discussion board in our online class portal. What does that mean?
A discussion board is an online platform where you can post responses to questions, engage in discussions with classmates, and share your ideas. It's a way to communicate and collaborate outside of class.
Cool. I've seen grading rubric mentioned as well. What's that?
A grading rubric is a set of criteria used to evaluate your work. It explains how your assignment will be graded and what aspects are most important.
Interesting. Lastly, what's a peer review?
A peer review is when you review and give feedback on a classmate's work, and they do the same for you. It's a great way to improve your writing and learn from others.
Thanks. This helps a lot with understanding what's expected in class.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions about class terms or anything else, feel free to ask.